Make your website super fast using AI with the help of this new Chrome Dev Tool MCP, the Model Context Protocol. By the way, if you don't know what is Model Context Protocol, check the link in the description for the detailed explanation of MCP. But here, it's really simple. Just prompt and your website will be extremely fast, having less load time. But guys, please don't subscribe to this YouTube channel and do not like this video if you are not getting any value from this video. My goal here is to give you the latest technology to solve your daily problem using the AI. And if it is not solving, no need to subscribe. But if you love this video, it's your will how you can support me. So first of all, this Chrome Dev Tool MCP works really better with the Gemini CLI. Yeah, both are Google product, that's why, but it can work with others too. So how this works, what are these things, and the practical real thing I'm going to show you. But let's first see the blog post. Here they have shown how it works, but it can use to verify browser that changes work expected or not, image are not loading, then you can tell, hey, why this is not doing this, and you can do a lot of amazing things which the AI need to visually see exactly. So it's going to open up the Chrome Dev Tool just like you are having your Chrome Dev Tool while you are working. It can do that. But for getting started, you need to add this MCP in your Gemini. Remember, that's a really important thing. And if you don't have the Gemini CLI, you can have it, or if you use the Claude CLI or Codex from OpenAI, it's up to you. So here on this Gemini CLI, I'm going to install these things, and once it is ready, then I'm going to set up the MCP. So here you can see the Gemini is ready. What next? We need to check what MCP servers Gemini is having. With this command, Gemini MCP list, it says there is no MCP server currently available. Now what we need to do? We need to set up this MCP server. For that, we need to visit the Gemini CLI GitHub repo, and here we have the MCP server integration. Let's open this in new tab, and here we are. We need to actually visit the setting.json for the Gemini and add it to our settings.json. For doing that, I can simply use the cursor to open the Gemini settings.json, and here, where it is, here we are. So see, it doesn't have the MCP server. So go here, copy this, and we need to paste it. Then finally have a comma here, and that's good. Let's once again run the MCP list, and this time we should see the MCP server, which is here, and this green tick mark says MCP server is working. So now what next? We just need to open the Gemini, get inside it, and ask AI to fix the issue I'm having on the load time. I'm asking, please check the latest content painful of localhost 3000 and make it faster. Since my localhost 8000 is running and my website is ready here, let's see how this is going to perform. At the starting, you can see it is saying that, okay, it need to use the MCP tool, performance start trace. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to say allow all tool from the server, and we know the server is the Chrome DevTool MCP. Hit enter, and eventually it's going to open up the Chrome. Here is the power. It's now going to open the Chrome. It will visit the localhost 8000 and see everything we need for our website. Now the MCP magic is here. See, performance start trace, it started, then navigating to page localhost 3000, which is you can see on the browser, performance stop trace, and then it analyzed 117 millisecond for LCP, which is good one, but it can improve obviously. Then it has some more data, and then it's going to try to improve it. So take the snapshot, it took the snapshot, getting everything on the page, and finally it's trying to edit something, and I say okay, allow every time, and then it's going to do things. And once this is done, we can see the speed should be improved, although it's really faster, but it should be more faster than before. While Gemini CLI is doing things, you can see it has added one priority on this image tag for my Next.js application, and slowly it will going to improve it. The improvement is noticeable from 117 millisecond to just 86 millisecond, and load delay comes from 35 millisecond to just 3 millisecond. This is really powerful, and it was all because of the CSS loading the Tailwind CSS thing, and it is only possible because of the Chrome DevTool MCP. To know more about the Chrome DevTool MCP, we need to visit the documentation on the GitHub, and here we are. We can see we have many integrations from Claude Code, Klein, Codex, VS Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, we already saw, Gemini Code Assistant, JetBrains, a lot more. And you can actually see what are the tools available for the Chrome MCP Dev tool. Lot more amazing things are already coming in this, so make sure you have this MCP server on any AI vibe coding tool you are using. But if you have any question related to this Chrome MCP Dev tool, you can just email me or let me know in the comment section. What's your view about this, or is there any other tool? We can cover everything if you want. So let me know in the comment section, but check out the next video wherever it is popping up, because this one is really helpful for your professional career. And again, I'm saying do not subscribe to this YouTube channel and do not like this button if this video is not valuable for you. But if it is, you know what you need to do. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.